Hi, it's OK cleaning company. It's OK Cleans. Okay, so I just ordered this vacuum. Just ordered this vacuum. Okay, 2 days ago from Amazon. Quick, delivery, only 2 days. So it's open box. This is the handle. Yeah, I like this handle. Yeah, I like this. It is good. The steel, stainless steel. It's very strong. I don't like the one with like piece, 2, 3 pieces, and then I put together. No, it is stick together and slide in and out. So this is good one. I like that. It's my job. I am a professional cleaner. So this is the vacuum here. It is good handle too. Good handle pipe. Handle pipe. So you can put in this. Yeah. This good one. And oh, okay, see to the picture. I don't know what's this one. So this head is for carpet head, and this one for the floor, hardwood floor and ceramic floor. Yeah, it's a good one. And also, what's this? Oh, small head for the, I don't know, for the tight spot. This one. Oh, look at this. Anything else? No more. And it is well, not too bad, not too heavy. It's heavy, but not too bad. Not bad. Not bad. It's light. It's light. Actually, it's lighter than the school bag for my daughter. I sent her to school yesterday. It's heavy than this one. Let's see what's inside. This look good. Good. So this connector here. Where will you connect to this one? So what is name? Atrix. 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 The name Atrix. E-R-G-O. E-R-G-O. Atrix E-R-G-O. See the book here. Atrix E-R-G-O. Back P. Back BP1. 1,400 power. But when I order, I don't see any. They tell me have to use the bag, but I don't like the vacuum. You have to use the bag. You have to use the vacuum bag. It is filter. And another filters in there. More filter in there. Filter. Filter. Another filter. Okay, another filter. One more filter here. Yep. And one small filter here. Filter. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Okay, let me see how loud it is. See, just try how loud it is. Yeah, it's loud. Yeah, the sound is loud. It's like a normal vacuum. So the one I don't like it. I don't like it has a filter bag. That's I don't like it. Because when I buy it, when I read it on the website, it doesn't tell have to use the bag, and it doesn't tell how loud it is. I was thinking like maybe less loud because we have to put carry on the back, so maybe not good for the ears. And yeah, the sound is loud. It's like it's the same normal vacuum. It's and have to use filter bag. Yeah, that's the one I don't like it. But I like it. I like this handle. I like this handle. And I like if I like they have the head for the carpet and the head for the floor. Yes, I like it. And those are is not is useless. This guy, no need to use this. And yeah, we sometimes we use this. We use this. This is for the this for the ceiling or for the filters, the house filter. Yeah, $309 plus tax, free shipping. So it's come to $360. Okay. Okay, that's it. So next time when I buy another vacuum, I will open box again to show you. Okay. Yeah, I buy lots of vacuum because I'm a professional house or office cleaning company. I have a company, so okay. Bye. See you.